Good day, in this tutorial we create the Cloud Inventory Dashboard clone. This time around we use a component to define our PG index structure. We also introduce the global store to save our products. The global store is accessible across components. One uses setStore and getStore to save and get state variables. Here we create our own element tag called Navbar, using the VU component. This will have its own events and bindings. For the home page we create a product listing. We have a column that will span 12 on mobile and span 3 on medium to large screens. When a user hovers over a product, we want to display some hover-specific content. We bind images, product names to our saved state in the store. At first the layout looks complex, however when one understands what they are doing, it will become clearer. In each column we want to display a product card from the global store products. These are created when the component page is created. We have created an object array and then saved it to the state. We load the layout and then bind each element as expected. There is some CSS that we need to ensure everything works for the hover. The base layout now uses a component. This is how we have created that component using the abstract designer. When we run the application, it builds and displays our web app in the browser. Let's take a look at the new Navbar component we created. We created its structure using the abstract designer. We also gave it the name Navbar and then did an import of it to our Vuetify instance. It then becomes globally accessible. Within the component we also added the drawer items we have seen. So in PG index we just place the Navbar element and everything will be generated by the app.